To do the unboxing on this beautiful KNF concept by KentFaith. I have done equatorial mold and everything with them using just the ball head. It can be done and it was perfect. It also comes with the phone holder if you want to use even a little tracker. It's a very light tripod. The load capacity is 22 pounds. It can easily have this telescope, the G-Sky on it. It's perfectly fine for the smart telescope. It will hold the dwarf telescope or the Sea-Star telescope. Check it out. I made a video using just the regular ball head using the Sea-Star telescope. It has a 1/4-inch release, completely suitable for DSLR cameras, cell phones. You can mount it right here to be portrait on the landscape mode. When the ball head is removed, then you get a 3/4-inch screw, which I use to mount even heavier star trackers. This tripod can be converted to a monopod as well in seconds. Just loosen the knob and pull out the center column so it can be used as a monopod. Look at this. Oh my God. Tripods, they last forever. This tripod allows you to adjust the working height from 20 inches to 67 with endless ways to use it. Also, the ball head can rotate 360 degrees and has fine-tuning knobs. The Arca standard quick release place and the knob locking design where the legs can be adjusted in 3 levels of opening angles to stabilize on varying grounds and incline levels. I have been using the KNF concept KentFaith tripod for a long time now. They are durable, they are very stable, and they work great with my smart telescopes and the star trackers that I have. Be sure to check on the descriptions of all of my videos to find the promo codes that all of us can take advantage of. It's extra discounts for all the brands that I am showcasing in my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in a few days.